Good morning. I am Narapuram Bhavya. Today we are going to see some Olympiad questions on Science Chapter 2, Class 7, Nutrition in Animals, Part 1. So let's see the first question. What are the end products of digested proteins? Options are fatty acids, glycerol, sugars, amino acids. So first, knowing the answer, let's see what is digestion and know the answer. So let's see. So what is digestion? It is the process of breaking down complex food or nutrients into simpler nutrients. So knowing about nutrients, there are 5 types. First, carbohydrates, then proteins, then fats, then vitamins, and then minerals. So let's know about these nutrients. Okay, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. So these nutrients are break down into simpler substances. So the carbohydrate breaks down into simpler substance known as glucose. And proteins, it breaks down into simpler substance known as amino acids. And fats, it breaks down into simpler substance known as fatty acid plus glycerol. So the question is asking what are the end product of digested protein. So here proteins, it's simpler substance. When it's break down into simpler substance, it become amino acids. So our answer would be amino acid. Let's see, it's correct. Yes, it's the correct answer. Next question. What is series of wave-like muscle contractions that moves food to different processing stations in the digestive tract? Options are egestion, digestion, peristalsis, esophagus. So this is the food pipe. So here it is food. The food goes into the stomach and there is a series of wave-like muscle contraction that moves food to different processing station in the digestive tract like this. It contracts, and then it lastly goes to stomach. So this is called peristalsis. Yeah, that is correct answer also. Okay, next. The long tube structure connecting the mouth and the stomach is called, there are options, trachea, esophagus, villi, pancreas. So the question is asking the long tube structure connecting the mouth and the stomach is called what? So this is our mouth, for example, and here is the food pipe, and then here is the stomach. So the question is asking what is this? What is its name? Food pipe, what is its name? So we called it as esophagus. So let's see, our answer is B. It's correct or not? Yes, it is the correct answer. Next question. Amoeba captures its food using finger-like projection called pseudopodia, stomach, vacuole, or cell wall. So let's see its explanation to know the correct answer. So nutrition in amoeba. So there are 5 steps. First, digestion, absorption, simulation, and the last, egestion. So this is nucleus, and this is the food particle. Okay, so the first step is egestion. So this finger-like projection, this captures the food particle with the help of its false feet called pseudopodia. And the second step is the digestion. Then it digests its food. This is a food vacuole. And the third, it absorbs all the nutrition and then it sends to all its body parts. And the last is egestion. That means throwing out the waste. So we have known what are the nutrition in amoeba. So it is asking the finger-like projection. So here we have studied that it is finger-like. So this is called as pseudopodia. So our answer will be pseudopodia. Let's see it's correct or not. Yes, it's correct. So amoeba captures its food using finger-like projections called pseudopodia. Next, the mode of feeding in butterflies is, there are options: siphoning, sucking, scraping, or swallowing. Let's see to know the answer. So this process is called egestion. So egestion, there are many types. The process of taking food into the body is called egestion. So the mode of egestion, there are many types of mode of egestion. First is scraping. So the scraping is done by snails, ants, and caterpillars. So scraping is done by snails, ants, and caterpillars. And the chewing is done by humans, cows, and buffaloes. So we also chew the food. And the siphoning is done by butterflies. Capturing and swallowing is done by eagles and snakes, like you can see in this picture. And sponging is done by houseflies. And sucking is done by bees, mosquitoes, lice, and hummingbirds. So in the question, it asked about the butterflies. So here is the butterfly, and its mode of egestion is siphoning. So our answer will be siphoning. Is it right or not? We will see. Yes, it is the correct. Thank you.